Okay, so this is the heavens and the massive block of time, part 2. It looks like this, though. On various planets, there are situations that can be favorable to an individual or may not be, or many people. It looks like in this case scenario, I mentioned the heavens here in the block of time. It looks like there's a lot more heavens than just 3. It looks like they're not in the block of time, really. They're not in this block of time. They're far beyond it. But the problem is this. It looks like this. A massive heaven is here. And there's other heavens that are in the minority. That explains, like, solitude. It explains a lot of stuff about why it's difficult. My book was about why it's hard when you're famous amongst people, let's say, right? To find a job that lasts a long time and everything, and why things get chaotic when you're involved in the equation. Well, I solved all that, really. It looks like a large heaven is here, meaning people are from there, and other heavens are here that are more esoteric. It solves, like, the song Solitude too by Black Sabbath, which is a good song on Masters of Reality. It's interesting to understand that, though, like that you're from a heaven. We are heavenly bodies. It's known that there were small heavenly bodies. There is a massive heavenly body. The thing about it is, why we're called that is not a mistake either. But it solves, in other planets, it might be a different scenario. It might be all different scenarios. And the only problem is karma. Because in karma, it's hit or miss. There's billions of planets in karma. It looks like you have to travel how you have to travel. And it's a crapshoot, if you can call it that. It's not really gambling, but it's how things are structured in karma that create good situations or situations that are not so favorable. But what I can say, though, is like something like this. It looks like regardless of the majority and minority, it looks like that there has to be an understanding, and it's hard. I understand it's hard. I understand it's not easy when there's like a block of heaven and minimal cubes of something else in the equation. It upsets the majority, which you can't do. It's like an ocean of people that gets upset. It's not going to be an integration, though. That there's no integration of it. So I don't understand why that happens. To understand why things are so different. It looks like what's been going on, not an integration, but something like this, the incomplete circle of man, right? But it does get complete eventually. It looks like what they're working on in karma is things like that, equations that are connectivity. And that's why there's like a plus and minus. Thank you.